Oh my goodness. Oh, hold on now. Woo, hold on there, Nelly. All right, soaking wet. So the weight of these two blankets put together was just too much. This is a very, very heavy blanket. This is actually was homemade by my great-grandmother in the 1950s. And it's super, super heavy, as you can tell. So I won't either have to hang this up. Most likely I'll just have to hang this one up. Okay, so you can see there that I had overfilled my washer with two large items. So the solution and the fix is to do one of three things. First thing is to take one article of clothing out or blanket and make the load smaller, and then try drying one piece at a time. It might be a situation where it's lopsided and you might need to take the blanket out and then rearrange it so the weight is not tilted on one side. And what happens is it'll be like, it's almost like a bowling ball that will make it start shaking. So if you disperse the weight evenly throughout the washer, that will also work. And the final solution is that your floors will be uneven. Either your floors are uneven or the legs on your washer are not even. Okay, as you can see here, I got my washer propped up, and that's going to expose the four little legs here. And there's one here, and of course one on the other three corners. Now this one doesn't have it, but the majority of them have adjustable legs to where if you just turn it to the left, counterclockwise, it'll actually make it longer, and if you turn it clockwise, it will actually make it shorter. So what you want to try to do is level them up. You might have to get a wrench on some models and actually wrench it to actually make it get longer. But the whole point is that if you are not overloading your washer, most likely one of the legs is longer than the other, or you have an unbalanced floorboard. So what you can do is get like a 2x4 in wood and actually jimmy it to where on one side to where you can level it up. But that's the reason why your washer is actually going haywire on you. Alright, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.